On November 26, India observes Constitution Day, and on this occasion, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, and several other central ministers have extended their greetings. Prime Minister Modi wished the public a happy Constitution Day in a tweet, celebrating the 75th anniversary of the Indian Constitution, and shared the video on Constitution Day. President Droupadi Murmu will address members of both houses of parliament in the Central Hall, while Prime Minister Modi will also participate in the Constitution Day celebrations. The event will be held at the Supreme Court of India's auditorium, where Modi will release the annual report of the Indian Judiciary for 2023 to 2024. Vice President Jagdeep Dhankhar, Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla, central ministers, members of parliament, diplomats stationed in Delhi, and other distinguished guests will attend. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, in his congratulatory message, emphasized paying tribute to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and other great figures who played a pivotal role in the creation of the Constitution. Union Minister of Commerce and Industry Piyush Goyal also shared his congratulations, describing the 75th anniversary of the Constitution as a remarkable moment for India's democracy and honoring all those who contributed to strengthening it.